When I saw that Lattafa release Mayar Cherry Intense, I knew in my heart of hearts that I was gonna get it. I'm a Mayar girl. What do you want me to do? I bought the original Mayar. I bought the natural Intense. So why will I not buy the Cherry Intense? And then when Kai Felicity came out, I knew I was going to buy it because I have all the Kais. Well, except for the masculine one. That one I have not tried, but I bought all of the Kais. So why will I not buy Kai Felicity? What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady, and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hello, guys. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great because Wing Lady is doing amazing. I'm doing awesome. I'm so excited. We get to unbox Kai Felicity and Mayar Cherry Intense. So, guys, I've got these babies right here, Felicity and Cherry Intense. So, which one do we unbox first? Cherry Intense. If you ask me if I have an idea of what this smells like, I'll tell you that I think it will smell like cherry bouquet from the house of Afna. What is going on? Aha. So I think it's going to smell like cherry bouquet from the house of Afna. That fragrance is absolutely intoxicating, super sexy, super addicting, and I'm praying that Mayar Cherry Intense smells like that or better, you know. Uh-oh, what is going on? Okay, all right. Okay. Wow. This bottle is gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. Ah, look at it, guys. The darkness of the bottle, the red, you know, this red is not like pinkish red. No, this is dark red. Look at the cover. Dark, deep, mysterious, sexy red. I cannot wait to smell this. I'm a bit nervous, but I know I'm going to like it. I am going to like it. Why will I not like it? It's a cherry fragrance, and I love cherry fragrances. Atomizer is beautiful. The sprayer is impressing me. But the smell. The smell. It smells boozy, 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 boozy. I just wanted to dry down a bit so that the alcohol can evaporate. It smells boozy. It smells a bit medicinal. You know that thing that cherry fragrances do, where they smell like cough syrup? I'm getting a bit out of that. Maybe because, of course, this is fresh. We're gonna let it macerate. Right now, I like it, but I don't love it because it's smelling a bit medicinal to my nose. The cherry is absolutely stunning. It's sexy, but medicinal. And it's not as deep, dark, rich, and concentrated as I would have thought it's going to be. I think the kind of cherry like this is going to just blast me in the face like cherry bouquet. But if you ask me, this is kind of soft. Yes, it's cherry, it's fluffy. I don't know if it has vanilla in there. Let's check the notes. Let's check the notes. We should always check the notes, right? So the notes say that at the top it has strawberry and bergamot. At the heart it has cherry jam and cacao. Then at the base it has vanilla, amber, and patchouli. Okay, so I get the vanilla in there. I also get the freshness at the top. I'm thinking instead of having, you know, vanilla and freshness, I wanted a deep, dark, roasted, sexy cherry. You know, like cherry dipped in liquor, very boozy. It smells boozy, but it is not intense. I'm really crossing my fingers and I'm going to give this time. I'm hoping it gets better and gets deeper and richer. But on first impression, yes, it's a beautiful cherry fragrance, just that it's not as deep, as dark as I would have loved. And it's smelling a bit medicinal. It's smelling a bit like cough. Yeah. They did not manage to take that cough syrup smell away from the cherry. But it's good. It's nice. I can see this layering with a lot of fruity scent, you know, as a base for date nights. This will be beautiful. I'm going to give it time. I do believe it's definitely going to get better. Fingers crossed that it gets amazing and delicious and sexy and intoxicating like I actually want it to be. Okay, now let's go on to Kai Felicity. So for Kai Felicity, we already know what it is the inspiration of. You people will not let that house to rest. Every time they come out with something, you come out with something. I like it, you know. I like it. And the amazing thing is that most times these perfumes are usually like one-to-one. They're like one-to-one with the OG, and you're like, oh my god, I needed a more affordable version of that OG. Thank you so much, Paris Corner. So guys, this is Kai Felicity and I cannot wait to experience her. Goldie, 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 Goldie. It's in a beautiful gold bottle. The only thing I do not like about this bottle is the fact that it's too shiny. It's sort of entering my eyes somehow. It's reflecting the light, so it's entering into my eyes. Plus, it's gonna leave a lot of fingerprints or marks. By the time you hold it, you always have to wipe it because it's gonna leave prints. However, we are not here for that, right? We are here for the juice. So we are going to try out the juice. The atomizer is not it. The atomizer, it's not it. It's spraying very lazily. Very late. You know, I'm trying to find the smell and I cannot find it. It's good. It's good. It's my kind of scent. It's soft, it's airy, it's light, it's powdery. But can it be more concentrated? Can you give me a little more something to hold on to? You know, like a base, like an anchor, something. It's super light. It's super... When I say elegant, refreshing scents, this will be one of them. It's a bit sweet. It's powdery. It's giving that DNA of like this old perfumes. Not like ancient, but like perfumes that you used to wear about a decade ago, about like 12 years ago. Those kind of nice, powdery, rosy, floral fragrances that we wear back in secondary school. I'm gonna give it time. I want more from this. It has potential. It smells good. I won't even lie. It smells good, but you need to smell like, you know, do I have to bath myself in it to get something? Let's check the notes. At the top, it has cassis, champagne, and freesia. At the heart, it has May rose, musk, and jasmine. Then at the base, it has vanilla, musk, and sugar. I just wish the notes were playing, you know, showing up more. Come out, wherever you are. They're in there, and I sprayed a lot. See, I sprayed a lot. It's not bold. If you're expecting a scent that will just no, it's nothing like that. It's soft, it's light, it's airy, it's clean, it's floral, it's a bit sweet, it's powdery, and it's rosy. A bit sensual because of the musk. Yeah, a bit sensual. But for the most part, I think it needs to thicken up. Right now, it's feeling like a skeleton. Yeah, like it has kwashiorkor and has been malnourished. I think in the next 1 or 2 months, the flesh is going to come out. It needs to like wake up. It's still sleeping right now. I need it to wake up, you know, get up and wake up. So it's super light, but it's a beautiful scent. It's soft, it's airy. If you're a clean girl, if you're a soft babe, this will definitely be your kind of fragrance. It's not knocking you in the face or anything. It's just soft, airy, light, floral. Not a lot is going on. Maybe with time. What do you think? Do you think it's going to get better with time? Because I'm a tiny bit disappointed. It smells good, but I want it to actually smell out more. Maceration updates are going to be a thing. Oh my God. I'm going to cover with a lot of maceration updates for you guys. Maceration is magic. So I can understand right now if out of the box is not really giving much. But with time, I think it has potential. Both of them actually do have a lot of potential. With time, they are going to reveal to us their sexy, dark, mysterious sides. And I cannot wait till then. I'm just going to stay here, fingers crossed, and test them every day, macerate them. And then I'll come back with a full detailed review, fleshy review for you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. If you enjoyed it, please like it, and then subscribe to my channel for more of me. And until next time, I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.